A bird prepares for her daughter's wedding. She decorates everything beautifully and makes a lot of sweets. After that, she distributes wedding invitation cards. The bird also gets her daughter ready for the big day. Suddenly, heavy rain starts. The mother bird becomes very worried about her daughter. All the decorations get spoiled by the rain. The bird feels helpless and starts crying alone. Just then, a parrot arrives with his friends. They cover the area with a big plastic sheet and build a new shelter, mandip. Because of their help, the daughter's wedding happens peacefully. In the end, the mother bird thanks the parrot from the bottom of her heart.